So in this segment, we're going to learn about the flam. The term flam, in drumming, it is a fat sounding stroke, and you have to use both sticks moving at exactly the same time. Each stroke has its own height. Example, I'm going to demonstrate what I call the right flam, where the right hand is the strong stroke of the two. Notice my left hand for the right flam is about 1 inch off the head, and this stroke is about 6 to 8 inches. So when I strike the flam, you're going to hear a fat sound from the drum. Notice this stroke, because it is closer, will precede the sound of the stronger stroke. It's very much the same principle as the law of gravity. If you have two objects and you release them at the same time, one being closer, I'm not throwing them down, I'm just dropping them. The idea is that this one being at that distance closer is going to hit first. So the secret to a good flam is to move your hands at exactly the same time. You have to make sure your brain understands that, because you will tend to want to move the left hand first, like so. And this is not going to be the fat sound that I've demonstrated. Listen, this is not correct. Notice how my left hand's moving first. So if you can learn to look for things that not to do, and think about just concentrating on both hands going to the head at the same time, you'll accomplish the sound that you want. Again, I'm just doing the right flam today. Notice the grace note always stays down. It is a new type of stroke that I'm introducing to you. So remember, the past segments, it was always be sure and lift every stroke. But now, this new stroke is helping you learn how to control a softer stroke. And with the flam, you're achieving that fatter sound on the drum. So one more thing, when you do the flam, there's also called the flat flam. That is incorrect. That's when both sticks hit the head at exactly the same time, and they really cancel each other out. If you hear that, again, that sound you really don't want. So you always want to have that fatter sound instead of the flatter sound. So we'll cover the left flam in the next segment.